Irich Roamers, welcome to another episode of adventure, stories and unforgettable roads. Today, we are heading to a place wrapped in beauty and memory, the infamous Nithi Bridge. But first, a quick shout out to our amazing community: James, Joseph Dongo, Faith, Mina Benson, Dan, Bachiba J, Richard Ndongo, and all of you who keep liking, watching, and most importantly, subscribing. Your support fuels our journey. I'll be dropping a few more names in the next episode, so stay tuned. We move. Coming from the magical landscapes of Samburu County and Mount Ololokwe, our wheels roll to the eastern side of Mount Kenya. Welcome to Meru, the land famously known as Jaba Nation. Yes, this is the heart and home of Kenya's mirror. As we cruise down the highway, we see storm clouds brewing ahead. There is that typical road trip suspense. Will the rain beat us to town, or will we outrun it? But either way, we keep moving. You see, Meru County is known as the wettest zone around Mount Kenya. True to that, the scenery transforms before our eyes. Dry savanna fading into lush green hills as we leave Isiolo behind. A few kilometers in, the sky breaks gently. Light showers welcome us, freshening the air and lifting our spirits. A good omen for the journey ahead. For the fun part, let's play a little game. Pro box spotting. If you know, you know. Watu wa Mlima and their pro boxes are never too far. Keep count as we go. And let us know in the comments how many you spot by the end of this video. Remember to subscribe. To reach Meru town from Isiolo, we pass through Mount Kenya National Forest. Imagine a world without forest cover. No birds, no fresh air, no green to feast your eyes on. This stretch reminds us just how precious and alive nature really is. Along the way, we bump into a driver, a bit too confident for the road ahead. Look at that turn. That's bravery or madness? You decide. We just hope he and his passengers get home safe. Just beyond the forest, Meru town begins to reveal itself, starting with Makutano. This is where the region starts to bustle. Junctions everywhere. Honestly, Meru might just have the most road junctions per square kilometer. What's the most junction-packed town you've ever been to? Drop your answers in the comment section. One of those busy junctions leads straight to Baua, the high-speed land of mirror pickups. Let me take you through it just a bit. And by the way, still counting those pro boxes? here we pass Meru Teachers Training College. If you're from here, shout yourself out in the comments. Teachers deserve all our respect. After all, we've all passed through their hands. Across the road is the mighty Meru School, a true academic giant, and not too far, Gaga Girls, another well-known school in the region. Just around the corner, we spot Kobo, Kenya Methodist University. Since you're not heading to Maua, you'll have to take a U-turn and head back to Makutano. From here, we swing into Milimani, literally meaning on the hill. This is the posh side of Meru. Gated homes, quiet roads, and that feel of calm wealth. The kind of place where even the air smells like peace. But not all journeys are straight lines. After some back and forth driving a few wrong turns, we find ourselves out of Milimani and into the humble parts of town. Here, the roads tell their own story. Life here moves slower, but is just as vibrant. It's getting late, so Nithi Bridge will have to wait. We decide to stay the night in Meru and hit the road fresh in the morning. So let's beat sherehe like lack of importance. The next day, the sun rises warm and golden, a perfect start. From Meru town, we roll into Kobo. Let's keep moving. This road has stories. At one point, we pass a sign that hits different. Don't fly, drive safely. You've probably seen it before. Sadly, not everyone has listened. This road has claimed many lives. If you're driving here, stay sharp, slow down. Don't be like this driver. He chose to park wrongly, or maybe he opted to fly. On this road, Irich Roamers finds rhythm in the curves, winding gently up and down the hills like nature's own melody. The tarmac hugs the land, slow and smooth, while streams and rivers flow, clear, steady, and borrowed by farmers to breathe life into their fields. Trees rise tall along the way, silent, strong, and beautiful. Their shadows stretch across the road like an embrace, and in the distance, the hills watch quietly, soft giants that crown the horizon. It's more than a drive, it's a moment, a breath, a reminder that the road can also be a destination. Kobo town greets us, a place close to my heart, full of old friends and great memories. And then, a few kilometers ahead, comes Egoji, where I went to school. Those hills hold more than just roads, they hold my story. Finally, after a long ride, filled with scenery and sentiment, we enter Tharaka Nithi County. There goes a sigh of relief. We're getting close. And then we see it, the sign that warns, danger ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it. the infamous Nithi Bridge. As we glide down the winding road of Nithi, the drone captures what words cannot: the steep, unforgiving descent, carved through hills that have seen both beauty and tragedy. Constructed in 1985, the bridge was meant to connect, to bring progress, yet its steep descent and sharp curves have turned it into one of Kenya's most notorious black spots. From above, it looks peaceful, but ask anyone who has history here. This road remembers. Travelers often pause here not just to rest, but to reflect, to honor those who've lost their lives and to appreciate the beauty that coexists with tragedy. Amidst the sorrow, the bridge stands resilient. Lush greenery, the gentle flow of the river below, and the majestic backdrop of Mount Kenya. Look closely. Every curve has a story. Every bend whispers something. Nithi is a symbol of travel, of risk, of the thin line between arrival and loss. As vehicles snake through its slopes, one message echoes louder than the rest. Don't fly. Drive safely. This is Nithi, majestic, mournful, unforgettable. As we continue our journey, let us carry with us the stories of Nithi Bridge, a testament to the delicate balance between progress and preservation, between beauty and caution. After the trip in the eastern side of Mount Kenya, we head to the most central part of Meru, the county that gave Mount Kenya its local name, Kirinyaga County. And in Kirinyaga County, we shall hunt waterfalls outside and inside of the Mount Kenya forest. So, stay tuned. If you have enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, comment, and share with others too.